Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video on Dogelon mod. That was my best impression of the Mario Kart theme song, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon mod. Ladies and gentle peeps, we have seen exactly what we said we were going to see in the last video. And my good old good, look at this. We have broken up with volume, overbearing previous resistance. What did I tell you guys? This is exactly going to happen because we faked out the fake out, and now all we needed to see, I literally let you guys know earlier today this was going to happen, and it happened. It broke through this resistance. I even said we're going to see some selling pressure here, but it won't be any big deal. And boom, we broke through it again, and now we are seeing a little red candle, and this is what we need to look out for in the future in order to make bank. All right, if you guys have been in the Patreon, you guys will be sitting so pretty right now in profits in a bear market. What more can you ask? I've been helping you guys on averaging in on the really small confirmations on these smaller time frames, because ladies and gentle peeps, 4 hourly charts, the stuff that we go over on this YouTube channel, it is good if you want to get confirmations semi to bi-weekly. But if you want to get confirmations daily, then you need to look at these smaller charts and really keep an eye on these technical analysis videos. And that's what I do all day freaking long. So if you guys don't want to look at these charts and you'd rather me just say, oh my gosh, it just broke out a previous resistance with volume, this is a really good time to average 1/4 bag. Then check out the Patreon. There's 7 spots left. My friends, this is what we need to look out for. This is what you guys need to look out for in order to make some bank in the future. Best confirmation to get the best price on this spike after we just seen three candles with big volume. These are called 3 white soldiers. Now, they're not quite 3 white soldiers because of this selling pressure, but it is an extreme bullish sign that we have just broken previous resistance and will continue to the upside. This is exactly what we need to look out for. Let me get straight into the in-depth technical analysis. All right, my friends, hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis, because this is beautiful stuff right here. This is how you make money. This is how you're going to quit your job and make freaking bank trading crypto if you choose. All right, ladies and gentle peeps, this is our next. Okay, this next range is going to be a range. All right, first of all, let me explain why. Because we see some selling pressure in this area, and the wicks extended up to this 1564 level, and it also extended down to this 1460 level. That is going to be our range of support, my beautiful friends, all right? This is what we want to see. We want to see, if it does retrace, we want to see it hold at the minimum 1453 level. That is what we want to see in order for this to continue to the upside. All right. Now, ladies and gentle peeps, if this red candle does something that is called, it comes down here, and then it pushes higher, my friends. It pushes higher. Creates a hammer, all right? A green hammer. That is a bullish sign that we have seen strong buying pressure here. So this is going to be not our new floor, but there's going to be some buying pressure if it ever comes down to retest the 16 level, all right? So this is what we need to look out for in the future. What we want to see is this 4 hourly candle to it. Okay, this is extreme case, like best case scenario. We want to see this 4 hourly candle get pushed up and close above this previous green body at 1633, creating a hammer, all right? That's a bullish sign to the upside, a bullish technical indicator to the upside. If you guys are interested in learning technical indicators, then hit me up at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. All right, so what we need to look out for on the not extreme side, this is more realistic, is for this candle or the next one to come down. We want to see low volume, my friends. We want to see little selling pressure, just like we're seeing here. Come down, test the top of this 1569, Crypto Billionaire 69, hit that subscribe button for daily and the technical analysis videos on Dogelon Mars. Anyways, we want to see, sorry for that, this candle come down to the 1569 level and show some strong support. All right, my friends, this is what we do not want to see. This is what we do not want to see. We don't want to see, okay, this is what we do not want to see in order for this pattern for this red candle to just be a little blip. We don't want to see this red candle or the next red candle close below this 1568 level. If it closes below that, that means we are heading back down to this 1456 level. It's really easy, guys, really easy. So if we want to keep this going up, then this candle can do one of two things. It can close, let me just draw the brush out here for you. It can close above this level, 1635, on this candle. That's extreme bullish sign. Or this next candle can come down, test this 1568 level, and then show strong buying pressure pushing higher, and then either this candle or the next candle closing above the 1633 level, and we shall move to the upside. All right, excuse me, my friends, that's what we need to look out for. Now I will reassess if we do come and break this 1533 level, 1560 level, my friends. Sorry about that. If we break this 1560 level, I will come and reassess on how it's looking with the volume, with the candlesticks, if we have seen any bearish reversal patterns on the charts. That will be extremely important. But for now, let's just look at the 15 minutes, all right? We are showing strong support on this after seeing a gravestone. No, that's an inverse dragonfly doji. Oh, how beautiful. And then we broke it with volume. That's great. All right. So, yeah, this gets super technical and super, super dope. I love this stuff. If you guys like these in-depth daily technical analysis videos on Dogelon Mars, hit that freaking subscribe button because I post every single day. And I will catch you guys on the flip side, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.